Hello, Python programmers. We are now moving into assignment 4.08. So we are going to take our hello by variables.py that we finished in unit 4. We are going to go ahead and save this as hello by variables underscore ASSN for our assignment.py, making sure that we've saved it in our computer science folder so that we know where it is. And now that it is saved as hello by variables underscore ASSN.py, our first step is we're going to go ahead and we're going to make those changes to the W. If you recall, we stopped at the letter O, but we need to go ahead and add in the variables for the W. So first off, the first 100 is going to be switched to letter underscore height. The second is going to be switched to negative letter underscore height. The forward 25 is going to be letter underscore width divided by 2. Our next one's going to be letter height. The negative 100 in our next forward is going to be negative letter underscore height. Again, the forward 25 is going to be letter underscore width divided by 2. We're going to round out with a letter underscore height and a negative letter underscore height. And that pretty much takes care of updating the W. The last is to update the R. Our first forward is going to be letter underscore height. The next one is going to be letter underscore width. The negative 50 will be negative letter underscore width. Our next one will be negative letter underscore width divided by 2. Letter width. Letter underscore height divided by 2. And lastly, letter height. Let's run this. We're going to go with red. I'm going to do a pen width of 5. And let's see if my code has updated for world. Oh, and I have a mistake. Something is not quite right here. So I'm going to have to go back and take a peek to see where my mistake is. Okay, having gone back and fixed the mistake that I had found, which was in the negative letter height divided by 2. Notice I took out the divided by 2. It's just negative letter, letter width. No, I'm in the wrong spot. Hold on a second. Height, width. Yes, sorry. This is supposed to be letter height divided by 2. And now all is right with our code. It runs correctly. You are able to zip this and submit it to 4.08 assignment 1.